Hi everyone, and welcome. Have you ever wanted to write a novel but didn't know where to start? In the few next minutes, we will be covering everything from brainstorming ideas to writing your first draft and refining your final product. So buckle up and get ready to take your writing skills to the next level. So, how can you use ChatGPT to write a novel? Here is some basic steps. Step 1. Define your novel's genre and audience. Knowing who you are writing for and what kind of novel you want to create will help you come up with a clear vision for your project. Step 2. Brainstorm ideas and create an outline. You can use ChatGPT to generate prompts and suggestions for your books, plot and characters, settings, and more. Once you have a general idea of what you want to write about, create an outline to organize your thoughts. Let's say you have decided to write a science fiction novel aimed at a general adult audience. You want your book to be set in a future world where humans have colonized other planets and face a new set of challenges and conflicts. You can use ChatGPT to generate ideas for your book's plot by giving it a prompt like, in a future world where humans have colonized other planets, what kind of conflicts and challenges might they face? ChatGPT then can generate ideas like interplanetary politics, resource scarcity, technological innovation, and alien encounters. You can use these prompts to come up with a general idea of what your book's plots and characters will be. You can use ChatGPT to generate prompts for your book's characters also by giving it a prompt like, what kind of characters might be interesting to include in a science fiction novel about humans colonizing other planets? ChatGPT can then generate ideas like a reluctant hero, a brilliant scientist, a cunning politician, or a curious alien. Step 3. Write your first draft. You can use ChatGPT to help you flesh out your ideas and write your first draft. Just give it a prompt and let it generate text based on your inputs. You can also use it to help you overcome writer's block or generate new ideas if you get stuck. Let's say you have a detailed outline for your science fiction novel about humans colonizing other planets, and you are ready to start writing your first draft. For example, if you are stuck on how to describe a new planet that your characters have discovered, you can give ChatGPT a prompt like, describe a new planet that humans have recently discovered. ChatGPT can then generate text based on your inputs, such as the planet was covered in dense forests and towering mountains. The air was thick with humidity and the sky was a deep shade of purple. Strange creatures lurked in the shadows, and the ground was littered with ancient ruins of a long-forgotten civilization. Step 4. Revise and edit your draft. After you've completed your first draft, it's time to revise and edit your work. You can use ChatGPT to help you identify areas that need improvement, suggest new ideas, and provide feedback on your writing. Repeat steps 3 and 4 until you are satisfied with your final draft. Writing a book is a process, and it may take several drafts to get it right. But with ChatGPT as your writing partner, you will have a powerful tool to help you along the way. So there you have it. That's how you can use ChatGPT to write a novel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next videos.